Trolling involves playing harmless pranks on friends using phones, computers, or social media. One way to troll is by sending a text-in-progress GIF to make your friend anxiously wait for a response. Another idea is to download a motion fart app on your friend's phone, which will embarrass them by making fart noises when the phone is moved. Siri can be used to call your friend by a silly or complicated name on their phone. Taking a screenshot of your friend's home screen and changing the icons and wallpaper can make it appear frozen. Spamming your friends with random text or signing them up for cat facts can also be entertaining. Using a fake check-in app to make your friend jealous by checking in at their dream destinations, or tagging them in random photos can also be effective. Adding your friends to random Facebook groups with different opinions or tastes can fill their newsfeed with unexpected content. Leaving random messages on social media, or hacking your friend's account to post goofy content can also be amusing. Finally, sending fake newspaper articles or stories that bother your friends can provide a good laugh.